Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and you might see little Brooklyn on my lap here. Hi BB. And today we are going to be opening up my Ipsy. It's just the regular $15 bag. Is it $15 still? I don't even know. But I'm going to be opening that. I also will be drawing a winner for the giveaway that I had. So before I start, I do want to say all the rules to the giveaway because that I kind of skipped over and said, you know, look in my description box. So I just want you guys to know that you have to be subscribed to me. If you didn't look in the description box, these are the rules. You have to be in the United States, be subscribed to me. And, you know, I have nothing to do with any allergic reactions you might have. And once it, you know, gets to the post office, I have nothing to do with it. After that, I'm not sending out replacements if it gets lost or stolen in the mail, which I've never had that happen, but you know, you never know. And you know, again, all the other rules were in my description box. The code word, in fact, was, I forgot to even give one, so I put that in my description box. So for those of you that did happen to look, you did get the code word, which was mouse. And I noticed one person put mice, and I did take that as maybe an entry. So I did add your name if you were the person that put mice, and if you did not mean to enter, just let me know. If I draw your name, you can tell me that you did not mean to enter. Also, if there's stuff in this giveaway that you do not want and you don't think there's anyone you can give it to, let me know and I will take it out. So if you win the giveaway and you're like, oh, I love that color lipstick, but the other one, oh, I've tried that before and I really hate it, you know, stuff like that, just let me know. I'll take it out and put it in a future giveaway. So I want to just send it all to you. Trust me, I want it just all to go because I'm trying to, you know, get rid of all my things that I've had, you know, accumulating. So if you saw one of my other videos, my daughter was actually on the video with me and she called me a hoarder. So yeah, I'm trying to get rid of a lot of things. So by all means, if you want everything in that giveaway, just, you know, let me know when you send me your address that you want everything. If there's things that you want me to take out, I could put it in a future giveaway. That's fine too. So just let me know. And that goes for any giveaway here and in the future. I don't want to be sending you guys stuff that, you know, you're not going to use, that you're just going to throw away, that maybe somebody else would use. I don't know. That's just something I thought I would say. But again, if you want everything, that is perfect for me. All right. So let me start by showing you what I got in my Ipsy, what do they call it now? Original? Ipsy Original? I don't know. But whatever. Here's the little bag. And I believe this is May. So, Brooklyn, are you going to be in my thumbnail? Thumbnail. Or maybe, okay, that's probably better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I chose, what well, it doesn't actually say, I guess you pick one item and the rest they just send to you. So I don't remember the one item I chose, I think was the palette, which we'll get to. But I got this scalp resurfacing serum. This is, it retails for $42 for a 70 milliliters. And it's just designed to help exfoliate and refresh your scalp, blah, 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 blah. So some of these things like this, probably things that I would not use, which would end up in a future giveaway. And again, if you win that future giveaway and you say, you know what, Kelly, I would never use this either, then I would just take it out of your giveaway. Do you know what I mean? So, all right. So there's that. And then this is Aqua Aura or Aura. And let's see, this is by Earth Harbor Naturals. It's an eye cream. So I would definitely use the eye creams. That's nice to have. You know what's happening is I keep getting birds fly into my window. Nope. Bella. Sorry, you guys. Bella, sit. It's happened like 3 times today, so I don't know what's going on. It's literally birds flying into my window. Hope I don't have like 3 dead birds on my porch, because that would really be sad. I'm serious. I'm not even joking. That's awful. So then I got this TYNT tint, I guess, Beauty Glaze and Glow. It's a lip oil, and I don't know if I even want to open this. I have so many lip oils. I'm gonna, I did open the box. I will not open the lippy if I cannot tell what color. Oh, it's just it looks like a clear gloss, I guess. So it is not open. You may see this in a future giveaway as well. And the MSRP on that is $24 for 5 milliliters. Not bad. The Aqua stuff, did I already say that was $26 for a 15 milliliter, a full size of this? So it's not bad price for a full size, actually. All right, so this is the Wing Me palette, and this is a compact neutral eyeshadow palette. That's all we need to know. I'm not going to swatch it. I'm not sure I'm going to be keeping this. So in this video, I will not be doing a giveaway. I will be pulling a winner for a giveaway, but you may see, like I said, a lot of this in future giveaways. This is Bee Venom. Oh, and the palette, $18. And this is Bee Venom Cleansing Balm. I always keep cleansing balms, facial cleansers, things like that. It's a travel size, $15. So by Rodial. I forgot how I heard people pronounce this, but whatever. So yeah, I will be keeping this. Wonder how much of this is actually in here. It kind of feels not full. I don't know. I mean, it almost feels empty, but I know it's not, right? There's a safety seal on it. Kind of want to keep it on there until I use it. I hope it's not empty. All right, so that's what I got in my Ipsy original. I always question myself because I'm usually wrong. All right, then if you saw, well, I guess most of you did watch it, I think, but the Ipsy bag that came completely damaged. Well, there was 2 products in there, one of which was the makeup bag and the other was a hairspray, and they were badly damaged, so I got replacements. Wait till you see these lovely replacements. Okay, here's the makeup bag. So if you're not seeing what I am seeing clearly, they have this folded like this in the bag, and look, there's another crease here. So folded here, folded here. I mean, this was like all scrunched up. I don't know, but this is not a good replacement. I'm not going to argue about it. I'm just going to probably just throw this away. I mean, this I wouldn't even put in the giveaway because it's so badly ruined. Yeah, so that's a shame. I have enough makeup bags. I'm not going to complain about it a second time. And then the hairspray, the big sexy hair, whatever it's called. I don't use hairspray, so this will end up in a future giveaway. But this came fine. So thank goodness. All right. So, but the makeup bag, nah, throw it away. All right. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to draw a winner for the Ipsy giveaway that I had. And it had this little purse and a bunch of stuff inside. And if you don't remember, if you are the winner and you don't remember what you won, go ahead and take a look at the video. It was the Ipsy video, Ipsy unboxing. And, you know, again, if there's anything in there you don't want me to send you, let me know. I will more than happy just take it out. And yeah, if you subscribe to me, I'm going to have to be honest, I didn't check. Most of these names in here, I recognize. Some I do not. That doesn't mean they're not subscribed to me. I'm just saying I don't recognize everybody that entered this time. Usually I see the same names over and over and over. This time I saw a couple extra that I just don't recognize. So if I pull your name and you are not subscribed to me, we're going on an honor system. So if you would, please subscribe to me. So in the future, when I do look, then, you know, you will still be included in future giveaways. Again, you have to be in the United States. I'm not shipping anything out of the United States. Everything, what was I going to say when I draw the name here? Today is Tuesday. So you have until Thursday night to get a hold of me. So you'll have the rest of today, Tuesday, all of Wednesday, and pretty much all of Thursday, okay, until I go to bed, whether it be 9 o'clock, whatever. By the time I shut down all my computers and electronics, that's when it's over. If you do not get a hold of me by then, do not hate me. I'm either going to put everything back and just, you know, do a different type of giveaway later, or draw another winner. And it's not to punish you for not getting a hold of me. It's just to keep rules. And, you know, I hope you guys understand I do have rules for a reason. I kind of want people to watch my channel, to come back when they don't see in, you know, that there's a giveaway in the title or winner drawn in the title. I still, you know, trying to, like every other creator, get my, you know, views up and get my channel going again. What do you have on you, Brooklyn? She's got something on her eye. Just a little piece of, she's licking me to death. Don't lick. So I'm just trying to get my views up and everything. So yeah, you have until Thursday night. You know, my last giveaway, someone didn't get a hold of me in time, and, you know, I think I lost that person as a subscriber. I'm not sure. I didn't check, but I sure hope not. I don't like to get people mad. But let me go ahead and draw the winner. And enough of preaching. A lot of people actually wanted to win this. So if you do win, my email is in the description box. It is Kelly, Kellie, 1969. It's the year I was born, at iCloud.com. And again, it's also in my description box. If you missed it, please do not spell my name wrong, because if you do, it will not come to me. Okay, Amy Emerson. So Amy, make sure before Thursday night, get a hold of me. Let me know if you want everything, or if there's a couple things you want me to take out, I will. And let's see what else. You have to be in the United States, which I'm pretty sure you are. I'm pretty sure you won from me in the past before. So yeah, that's about it, everyone. So again, if I don't hear back from Amy, I might just draw another winner, because I do want to start getting these things out of my house and into the hands of someone that will love them. Okay. So thank you everyone for watching, and please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And that's it. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye.